How to fix Snapchat not opening on Android. This tutorial walks through the most effective ways to get the app launching normally again. First, check your internet connection by swiping down to open the quick panel and switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, since Snapchat needs a stable connection just to open past the loading screen. From there, long press the Snapchat app icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. After that, tap Force Stop to close any background processes that might be stuck. Then tap OK to confirm. At this point, go into Storage from that same App Info page. Following this, tap Clear Cache first, which removes temporary files without touching your saved data or login. From here, scroll down on the App Info page and look for App Details in Store, which takes you directly to Snapchat's page on the Play Store without needing to search for it manually. At this stage, check if an update is available and install it if there is one, since running an outdated version is one of the more common reasons Snapchat fails to open. Following this, if Snapchat is still not opening after all of that, go back into App Info and tap Clear Data instead. Keep in mind, this will sign you out completely, so make sure you know your login details before continuing and confirm when the prompt appears. From here, if the app still won't launch, check your available storage space under Settings, then Battery and Device Care, then Storage, since Snapchat can fail to open if your device is critically low on space. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. Once your device restarts, open Snapchat, and it should launch normally at that point. That's how you fix Snapchat not opening on Android. If this got things working again, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!